All right, let's make a start with IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. What is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is blue because it's very cool and it reflects a cool impression. That's why I love blue color.
Okay, do you like dark colors or light colors?
No, I like light color because it's very cool and it gives me a sense of comfortable. I feel very comfortable to wear light color dress except dark colors.
Okay, there should be one sentence conclusion in the end, and don't repeat the same ideas of previous answer in the next answer. Come up with something different, okay? Now let's go on. What type of colors do people like in your country?
In my country, people prefer to wear bright colors because I think that people do not like dull colors and they are feeling in marriages people used to wear bright colors.
Okay. What was your favorite color in your childhood?
My favorite color in my childhood was pink color because it's very cool and it gives me.
All right, so try to complete your answer and try to speak at least 5, 6 sentences for your answer. And in the end, there should be one sentence conclusion, okay? Now let's go on. It's your turn. What is your favorite animal and why?
Well, in my country, not all people like animals, but I do. I like dog because it is a faithful animal and it has a lot of talents. It can learn a lot of things other than other animals.
Okay, so at the end, you should say, therefore, my favorite animal is dog, or that is why I like dog. Something like that, okay? Now let's go on. What was your favorite animal in your childhood?
Well, in my childhood, I used to like rabbit because in our playground there was a little rabbits that was very cute and that skin was so fluffy and soft. That delicate structure of rabbits attracted me
Attracted
more.
me, exactly, past tense, okay? So focus the past tense only. All right, do you have any pets at home?
No, I don't have yet, but I would if my mom allows me in the future. But for the present, she doesn't allow me.
Okay, do you like animals or birds?
Well, I like animals than birds because I don't know why when I go near to birds, I start sniffing, and that's why I can't touch them.
Okay, so overall, your English is good. All you need is practice because the way you are speaking now, it's word by word. And you should speak sentence by sentence. And there should not be any pauses. So try to practice all these topics. Like I asked you questions about animals, you answered. If I ask you same question second time, you'll be more comfortable. So try to go through the list of topics and you'll be fine, right? Thank you so much.